In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to copy one-sided document to two-sided on the HP SmartTank 750 or 7300 printer series. In order to do that, we need to do some settings change in the embedded web server page. So the printer is already connected to a network and we will print the information page. If the printer is in the sleep mode, simply press on the cancel button to wake the printer up. Next, press on the I or information button. With the printer information report, take note of the printer IP address. Next, using a Chrome browser, we'll key in the IP address to access the EWS or embedded web server page for this printer. From the Chrome browser, key in the IP address of the printer. Let's continue to our printer settings. At this prompt, simply go to Advanced and proceed to the IP address. This is the embedded web server page for the printer. In order to copy one-sided to two-sided, go to Copy. Select Settings. Select Default Settings. Now, the printer pin can be found on the printer information page. This is the copy settings. Currently for two-sided, it is one-sided to one-sided copy. We're going to change it to one-sided to two-sided copy. And for resize, we'll select actual size. Let's apply. So the changes have been updated successfully. With the copy one-sided to two-sided settings done, we're going to copy these 4 pages from one-sided to two-sided. Place the document onto the document feeder. We'll copy in color, so we'll press on the color copy button. So the document has been copied from one-sided to two-sided. Page 1 to page 4. So do note that the settings are sticky, meaning to say if you want to copy one-sided document to one-sided again, you need to do the settings change on the embedded web server. So this is how you copy a one-sided document to two-sided on the HP SmartTank 750 or 7300 printer series.